Never wake up drooling, your body frozen, or your heart racing for no reason? Don't worry, it's not a ghost. It's science. Fact 1. When you drool in your sleep, it means your body has fully relaxed. Your muscles and jaw loosen, allowing saliva to escape. It's actually a sign of deep sleep. Fact 2. Waking up tired even after 8 hours? That's poor sleep quality. Your body didn't reach enough deep REM cycles, so your cells didn't repair properly. Fact 3. Feeling weak or numb when you wake up? That's your blood circulation slowing down during long sleep in one position. It causes temporary nerve pressure. Fact 4. Suddenly jerking awake with a shock? It's called a hypnic jerk. Your brain thinks you're falling, so it sends a quick signal to wake you. Fact 5. Sometimes your body feels frozen right before waking. That's sleep paralysis. Your mind wakes up, but your body's still paralyzed from dream mode. Fact 6. Sweating or feeling anxious after waking? That's adrenaline spike. Your nervous system reboots suddenly, increasing heart rate and body temperature. Fact 7. Sleep talking or random sounds happen when your brain is halfway between dream and awake. Your subconscious is still active. Fact 8. Dizziness after sitting up too fast in the morning? Your blood pressure drops for a few seconds before stabilizing. Fact 9. Dry mouth in the morning? Your mouth was open during sleep, causing dehydration. Fact 10. Waking up with stiff joints or muscles? That's lactic acid buildup due to less movement and poor blood flow overnight. Stretching fixes it fast. So next time your body acts weird in sleep, remember, it's just your brain doing its nighttime maintenance. Comment "sleep facts" if you learned something new, and follow for more amazing body secrets.